Hello my friends, you are welcome in the English YouTube classes. Today we are going to read about verbs confused with nouns. There are some verbs in English which confuses us with nouns like the practice, and this is also practice. This is the noun, it means abhyas, and this is the verb, this is noun और ये वर्ब है. इसका मतलब अभ्यास और इसका मतलब अभ्यास करना. Only difference between these two words is see and here is s. Practice and it is also practice. Practice means abhyas and practice means abhyas se karna. The most of in exams these two words confuses the students. ये confuse करते हैं. ये वर्ब क्रिया और ये है ये नाउन है संज्ञा और ये वर्ब है अभ्यास और इसका मतलब अभ्यास करना. सेकंड advice, this is the advice and this is advice. Advice means only advice सलाह है and advice means सलाह है देना. सलाह है देना. The same, this is the noun advice noun and advice is the verb. Advice advice so keep in mind advice means सलाह है, advice means सलाह है देना. Advice means noun संज्ञा, advice means सलाह देना क्रिया है. थर्ड complain means शिकायत. This is the शिकायत करना. शिकायत करना. This is the verb. Complain means शिकायत करना. This is the verb. And complaint means noun. इसका मतलब होता है शिकायत. So most of the time complain and complaint confuse करती है. Complain means शिकायत करना. The second form of the complaint is complained. ed लगाई गई. Complaint noun है, इसकी second form नहीं होती है. Complaint means verb शिकायत करना. Complaint means only शिकायत. Affect means प्रभावित करना. This is the verb. Affect means प्रभावित करना. Affect means प्रभावित करना. Effect means प्रभाव. This is the noun. It means प्रभाव. its effect इसके प्रभाव. affected प्रभावित किया. Affect is the verb. इसका मतलब प्रभावित करना. Effect means प्रभाव. Second, envelope is the noun. Noun इसका मतलब होता है लिफाफा. Envelope लिफाफा. And envelope, this is envelope. Noun envelope this is the verb. Envelope verb इसका मतलब लिफाफा बंद करना, पैक करना. envelope का मतलब पैक करना, लिफाफा बंद करना. Envelope means लिफाफा. Loath is the noun. Loath means घृणा करना, तिरस्कार करना. Only means घृणा. This is the noun. Loath means loath is the verb. मतलब इट मींस तिरस्कार करना, करना, करना। तो these are the 5-6 words that differentiate between noun and a verb. Practice means noun, अभ्यास, practice means अभ्यास करना। The only difference between these two words, practice and practice. CIS का मतलब सिर्फ संज्ञा, ये अभ्यास है। प्रैक्टिस ऐसा है, इसका मतलब अभ्यास है, करना। एडवाइस, एडवाइस नाउन, एडवाइस मीन्स सिर्फ सलाह। He gave me advice, उसने मुझे सलाह दी। He advised me, advice, this is advice and this is advice। He gave me advice, उसने सलाह दी। He advised me, उसने मुझे सलाह दी। तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस, एडवाइस एंड एडवाइस। नेक्स्ट, कंप्लेन, कंप्लेन इज द वर्ब। She always complains me, he always complains me। कंप्लेन इज द वर्ब, शिकायत करता, करना, शिकायत, कंप्लेन। कंप्लेंट मीन्स शिकायत, कंप्लेंट मीन्स शिकायत, हर कंप्लेन उसकी शिकायत। अफेक्ट, अफेक्ट मीन्स प्रभावित करना, दिस इज द वर्ब, प्रभावित करना, अफेक्ट, प्रभावित करना। जैसे इट अफेक्टेड मी, द डिजास्टर अफेक्टेड द पीपल, द एपिडेमिक अफेक्टेड द पीपल, प्रभावित करना या प्रभावित किया। इफेक्ट में से प्रभाव, इट्स इफेक्ट, द इफेक्ट ऑफ द डिजास्टर इज ग्रेट ऑन पीपल। इफेक्ट मीन्स प्रभाव और अफेक्ट मीन्स प्रभावित करना। इन्वेलप, इन्वेलप मीन्स लिफाफा, इन्वेलप, लिफाफा। द इन्वेलप पैक दीज पेपर्स इन द इन्वेलप, पेपर्स को इन्वेलप में बंद कीजिए, दिस इज द नाउन। आई इन्वेलप्ड दीज पेपर्स, आई इन्वेलप्ड दीज पेपर्स, इसमें इसका मतलब मैंने पेपर्स को इन्वेलप कर लिया, बंद कर दिया। लोथ, लोथ इज द नाउन, इट मीन्स घरना। लोथ, loathe, loathe means घृणा करना, this is the verb। so these are the breath, breath means सांस, this is the noun। I am taking breath, I taking breath, breath means सांस, this is the noun। the breath confuses with breathe, this is the breathe, breathe, this is the verb। breathe means सांस लेना और छोड़ना। breathe, breathe, I am breathing, everyone breathes, this is the verb and breath is noun। so these two words confuses with each other, breath and breathe। breath means सांस, I am taking breath, the breath is most important for us, for our life। and breathe, breathe means सांस लेना, we are breathing, सांस ले रहे हैं। bath, bath, this is the noun, bath means स्नान, this is the noun, स्नान, bath। I had bath, he had bath, he took bath, bath means only स्नान। and this is bathe, bathe is the verb, bathe means स्नान करना, स्नान करना। we bathe in the morning, everyone bathes, we are bathing, he is bathing, bathing means स्नान कर रहा है और bath means only स्नान। this is the difference between these two words and mostly it is confusing, the most important both words in viewpoint of competitive exams, competitive exam की तरफ से बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। bath and bathe, bath means स्नान, this is the noun, संज्ञा है। and bathe, bathe means स्नान करना। pedal, pedal means, pedal is the verb, pedal verb है, इसका मतलब होता है सामान बेचना, घूम घूम कर सामान बेचना, सामान बेचना, पेडलिंग। द The man is peddling his goods. आगे बढ़ जाओगे. Peddling means घूम के सामान बेचना. Peddle, P-E-double-L-E, peddle, घूम के सामान बेचना. Pedal, this is the noun. Pedal means the part of cycle का part जिसे हम pedal कहते हैं. That is the pedal. Cycle. The part of pedal and pedal. These confuse pedal and pedal. Loss is the noun. Honey, it means honey. Loss, honey. Say the businessman facing great loss. He faced great loss. उसने बहुत बड़ी हानि का सामना किया है. Loss means हानि. And lose confuses with lose. Lose means verb. This is the verb. Lose means खोना. And second form of lose is lost. I lost my pen. He lost his bike. Lost means खोना. One more word, that is lose. This is the opposite of strict. Lose, ढीला. That is different. Lose means खोना. L-O-S, lose means खोना. The second form and third form of this verb is lost. I lost my pen. He lost his bag. Next word, pure is the verb. It means उडेलना. जैसे the rain is pouring, the water is pouring. उडेलना. Pure is उडेलना. This word is the noun and it means छिद्र. जैसे the tiny hole in the skin. छोटे छिद्र तो कहते हैं उसे कहते हैं pure means छिद्र. Every pore of my body, मेरे शरीर के प्रत्येक छिद्र. Every pore of my body. And this pore is different. Pure is उडेलना and this pore is छिद्र. Both are similar in pronunciation. उच्चारण में समान है. Hold. This is the verb. Hold means संग्रह करना. जैसे the many people in India are holding the black money. बहुत से लोग उनको होल्ड कर रहे हैं. Hold means इकट्ठा करना, बड़ी मात्रा में रखना होता है. Hold means इकट्ठा करना, होल्डिंग करना. Hold. This is hold is noun, collective noun. Collective noun है ये hold. The group of people, the whole of people are migrating. Whole of animals are migrating. Hold means group. A collective noun है hold. This is hold. This is hold is the verb. Holding money, holding the black money. So hold and hold actually hold means इकट्ठा करना बड़ी मात्रा में. Hold means the group of people. The whole of people are migrating. The whole of people are going. So these are the words which confuses us. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, all of you.